Alright y'all, this is my chimney and the flashing that goes around it. And as you can see, it's gotten pretty rusty. It's hard to get up on my roof. I just fixed that. If you look back a couple of videos, you'll see where I put a hatch in my roof so I can now get up here. But anyway, I need to do a little maintenance on this. It's still very solid. I just need to put some paint on it so that it'll last a lot longer. And I'll show you that paint here in just a minute. It's a paint that's got a lot of zinc in it, so it is made for this purpose and it works really well. But first I've got to get this loose rust off of here. It's not really bad, but I've got some steel wool and some sandpaper. The sandpaper that I would use is like 120 grit. And so I'm just going to work on getting the worst of this rust knocked down so I can paint it. Now anywhere you've got some heavier rust, hit it with the sandpaper. You can see where you get away from the weather, you get back to galvanized, so you don't have to get up under there too far. Okay, so now I've got it sanded down and I took that old t-shirt, wiped the dust off of it, and now I'm ready to paint it. I'm going to paint it with this Rust-Oleum cold galvanizing compound. And this has a lot of zinc in it, and so it works really well for this purpose, and it'll stick really well to this galvanizing. Now I've got a piece of cardboard because I want to try to not get it on my roof, and I've got a curve cut in there that sort of matches this, but it'll help me keep it off the roof as I go around. Okay, that's got it painted. That should get me, 2 or 3 years without having to address this again. I'll come back and probably look at it every year now that I have an easy way to get up here. But I mean, I can see it from far off and I could tell it was rusted. But luckily it hadn't gotten to the place where it was rusting through or anything like that. I caught it in time. And yeah, if I come up here every 2 or 3 years and do this, this will probably last forever. You can see I put a really heavy coat on here. I wasn't the least bit worried about it running or anything like that. I wanted to get a really heavy wet coat so it would soak through that rust and stay on here. Okay, well, I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.